Alright guys, I already turned the water off, bled out the line, and boy, even with a really good pipe wrench, make sure back up against it. Barely able to do it. Use this bucket to catch any loose debris. Oh yeah, that was... Welcome to reality. Get in there. There we go. But yeah, I was barely able to get this cap off without risking damage. And sure enough, there is some water in here, so... Just gonna let this bleed out. I wasn't sure if there was supposed to be water outside of the bell housing, but I guess it's just behind the diaphragm. Everything is loosened up. Let that continue to drain. Let's see the inside. A little bit of rust. And yeah, I can see there's a little bit of rust on the diaphragm bolt, but hopefully we'll be able to get that out. So, yeah, there's the inside. I'm thinking that doesn't have to be on that tight. I sure hope this disc comes out. So I got my 14-inch pipe wrench here to hold back, but still there was more pressure on the stress on the line than I wanted to get that bell housing out. But alright, I think we have to hold. On hex set. Find out what size this is. And that's it. First one. 7/16. Yep, that's the one. It's just kind of a slow drip, so we'll let that drip out and we'll start another video. Alright, next step is going to be to remove the diaphragm bolt. I'm going to hold the diaphragm back with my pair of channel locks here, and we'll see how easy this comes out. A little tool here is perfect. It actually wasn't that bad at all, believe it or not. There we go. Caught the bolt nicely. got some more water behind this. So. Just trying to catch as much as I can. And yeah, see, everything is kind of, the disc, the bolt, it's all, the friction ring, it's all kind of seized on there. Just gonna pry this thing out here. Here's the diaphragm disc. Why that's not coming out. This should just come right out. Check the directions again. This assembly is supposed to come out. Of course it's not. The disc and the diaphragm is stuck on there, even though the bolt is off. I'm going to try and just pry this out. There we go. A couple of tugs. There's the assembly right there. And a little bit of corrosion, but not too bad. This is going to be the torque one right here. That's the hex nut. So, anyway. I don't know. I'm surprised that thing is still leaking. I wonder if that's the problem. See? I think that O-ring is leaking. That's the problem here. That shouldn't be. I'm going to try and keep this garbage pail, this little 5-gallon bucket here, and just shove that there. And we'll pick up the next video getting off the hex bolts. Alright, here's the 1/2-inch socket with a 1/2-inch socket wrench with 1 1/8 socket. Oh boy, I sure hope this comes out. This is where you need a little muscle. Nice firm grip. I got the pipe wrench in the back. Back against. Here it goes. Oh, yes. Okay, got it. Oh, yeah, baby. I just wish this thing would stop leaking. I think I got it. I wish this was a little deeper socket here. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, that's one thing I wish there was a deeper socket. It's actually a very shallow socket, so you can't get a lot of torque on it. It's coming out. There we go. I can probably do the rest with my hand. That is a nice tool. Let's see what this looks like. Some more water coming out. Jeez, I'm glad I put this bucket here. I got a towel on the floor. It's just, I mean, I hope there's not another leak. I'm just going to let that water burp out into the bucket. I just don't feel like having more water on the floor than I need to. That's a good idea. There we go. Came out. Very interested here. Huh. there's no washer here. This is actually really clean, but it doesn't have the retainer washer. So I gotta see if it's in there. Hopefully I don't have to pry it out. I don't know if it was installed without it. It doesn't look that bad, so I don't know why this thing wasn't working. But anyway, I already got the kit, so we'll put a new cartridge in there, we'll clean that out. I'll show you how to do that. Alright, I'm going to show you all the high-tech way to clean this out. It's the toothbrush, which I already filled the bucket in the laundry sink. I just want to see, I didn't see any washer in there, so it must have just corroded. I just want to clean these threads. This is where I wish I had that thread sealant. It never sees stuff. I'll flush out this carefully. I have an idea. I'll show you how to do that. And I'm going to clean out the bell housing as well. I'm just wondering if something is caught up in there. Again, the point of this is I didn't want to take it out of the line, so I'm repairing it in place. I mean, I'm getting some more water out, so I mean, I'm going to clean the female threads of the bell housing, so hopefully if this thing ever has to be serviced again, it'll come out a lot easier. I don't think it has to be on that tight. It's unbelievable how tight that thing was on there. So I'm getting a little bit more water out. Alright, we're going to flush this thing out now. So here's my plan. A one-person job. I don't know how much of a spray this is going to be. So I have this hooked up there. I'm going to hook this around there. I'm going to open the ball valve slowly. I just want to see. I don't know, it kind of looks like a crazy idea, but I just don't know how much force is going to come out if I open this valve slowly. 100 pounds pressure. Let's see how this is going to work here. Okay, there's the one shot. It's coming out, that's good. I'm not even getting any leaks. Oh yeah, baby. So far, so good. Let's continue with the toothbrush. Wow, that was actually a really good idea. Oh, I just hope this fixes the problem. If not, that's when I'll probably call a plumber. I'm not going to be in over my head. So yeah, this is actually, it's like hardly any water on the floor. So let's flush it out again. Where are we at? Okay, I got plenty of room in this bucket, so that's good. It's getting a little heavy, so I'm going to dump this. I just don't want too much weight on the line. Here we go. I'm going to hold this back again. There we go. And we'll flush it out a few more times. Okay, here we go. Don't want too much weight on the line. I don't know how much I have to do this, but my gut says that's probably enough, but you never know. I'm just using a toothbrush. flashlight look in there. Yeah, it doesn't look that bad. So who the hell knows? I think I see the seat. When I pull that out, that stayed in there. So I don't know how I'm going to get that out. Fish hook. We're going to attempt to remove that inside washer with a dentist tool. Doubt I'll be able to do it, but... yeah, I don't know if that's supposed to be there or not supposed to be there. Washer's like really in there. No, I'm afraid this piece of metal is going to break off inside. Holy shit. Bingo. Got it. Oh yeah, baby. I use this end, the shorter end, with a little bit more strength than the longer. And I got it out. That's good stuff right there. I knew something wasn't right there. Alright. See, a little bit more cleaning and come to the next video. Alright, despite this thing still dripping, I already lubricated with the grease, the O-rings, and we're going to tighten this baby up now. I got a nice bite on the... So now it's the opposite. How tight is tight, you know? Yeah, this is such a big socket. I don't have a lot of leverage, actually. Hey! Hey, just so you know, the water's off, alright? Yes, I'm working on the regulator valve, so just an FYI, don't flush any of the toilets. Can't. Alright, this is going to go clockwise. I mean, this is probably tight enough, I would think. I just wish that hex bolt had a little bit more. Alright, that should do it. That should do it. Alright, that should do that. Okay, I already got the diaphragm in there. That's nice and tight. Now we have to seal that with the bell housing. Here's the new, I already centered that. I'm just going to put the diaphragm disc. See, I'm placing the smooth side of the diaphragm disc down. We'll attempt to, this was the part I wasn't worried. Yeah, we'll be able to center that on there. I can back out the screw. Alright, just gonna grab my channel locks. We'll go clockwise. Alright, first turn. I don't think it has to be on. I mean, that was on so tight last time. I don't think it has to be on that tight. Test it out in the next video. Alright, I already turned the water onto the house. Well, I didn't yet. I opened some of the faucets in the basement and upstairs. We're going to open up the service first. Alright, I don't see any leaks. It's real good. We're going to open up the valves fully now. Alright, still no leaks. I can see we're building up pressure in the system. About 40 psi. No leaks, no leaks. I'm going to go ahead and turn the main service on all the way. And again, no leaks. Good deal. So. Is there any water coming out of the sink? Any air or not much? A little bit? Yes? Alright, thanks, Jason. Keep them on. Alright, we're going to go to the next video and check the pressure in the house. Alright, so we're going to turn this off. Actually, I'm going to use my, now I'll use this camera. So I'm going to turn this off and we'll take a look at how the pressure responds. It's leveling off. Sorry for that. 54. Still going up slowly. I'm actually going to loosen the set screw, see if we can decrease set screws slightly. Everything looks much better now. So I'll take a picture once we're done here. Steph has the sink running upstairs, but pressure is staying very stable. About 38. So yeah, a huge improvement.